How to directly transfer video file to your mobile without RC. So turn on your drone first. Once turn on, enable your mobile Bluetooth and make sure your DJI apps is available. If you don't have, just go to search bar and type DJI Fly, then open these apps. Now my remote is not turning on. Just press on quick transfer, then it will be ask for connections. Press on connections and then simply press on join. Now in DJI 4 Pro section, this is the save option and this is the memory. Just which one you want to download. For example, I want to download this one, then press on this icon. Then sorry, I already downloaded it. Let's try with another one. For example, this one. Then press on this download icon, then it will be downloaded. Now go back to your gallery, then press on your recent day, then file is available here. So that's it. This is how you can easily download any file from your mobile with your. Thank you. Have a good day.